Welcome, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Orlando, and today I have a special guest on, my 9-year-old son, who obviously has the giggles. He wants to be a YouTuber, and today we're going to be talking about his investments that he's made in Robinhood. In January, we went ahead and made some investments into, what did we invest in, Micah?
Fortnite.
Huh?
Fortnite.
So we went over some things, and I said, "Hey, Micah, let's go ahead and get some investments going." And I wanted to teach him some of the pillars, important parts of investing. So we went ahead and opened up a Robinhood account, and we invested. So we invested into Tencent, which is a conglomerate, a big company that basically does mobile gaming. This is probably the closest we were able to get into investing into Fortnite. So me and my son decided to go ahead and go on this journey, and I just really wanted to do this to kind of teach him some of the pillars of investing. Right, Micah?
Yes.
So Micah, what was the one thing, the biggest rule that I told you when it comes to investing? What is the number one rule that we spoke about?
That you could always lose money.
Right. That you can always lose money. Like in every investment, you can always lose money. And so we went ahead and we invested into Tencent here. And let's just kind of go over, and I'll go ahead and put on the screen exactly what I'm looking at here. But when we did our Robinhood investment, we invested in Tencent in January 17th, 2020. So what do you think we did on that? How much money do you think we gained out of that?
$12.55.
$12.58. $12.58. Right? So, but you were really close. So I mean, it wasn't that far off. But that's because you had already knew you've been looking at it, so you already knew exactly what was on there. But the point is that,
Are you gonna?
huh?
Are you gonna put me getting it wrong on the video?
Yeah, of course. Of course. Get over here, Micah. Come on, Micah. Yeah, I mean, come on. I mean, there's nothing wrong with getting it wrong. I mean, it's you were off 3 cents. What does it matter, huh? I'm just saying. What does it matter? He was off 3 cents from.
Are you gonna put this on video?
Yeah, I am.
No, he was off 3 cents.
Yeah, I will.
Walking away.
Listen, yeah, but let me tell you this.
No.
Let me ask you this. Is this embarrassing for you?
Yeah.
Huh?
A bit.
How is this embarrassing? Let me tell you what. Put your foot off of there. You have to, one of the biggest things when it comes to investing is that you have to learn from your mistakes. And that's not even really a mistake. You were off 3 cents. So what does it really matter? But. NANI? Why did you want to invest into Tencent? Huh?
So I could get money.
Yeah, well, that's a start to get money. But why did you want to do Fortnite in particular?
Because I like it.
Huh?
It's my favorite game.
It's your favorite game. So what is that telling you? When you are investing into something, right? Why should you invest in things that you don't have, that you don't use, that you don't like to really do? Should you invest in those things, or should you invest in things that you love and you like and you use yourself?
That you loved and that you like.
Right. And what's the reason why that is, Micah, is because it's, how good those products are, and how enjoyable those products are. And when it actually comes to investing in those items, not only do you know how good they are, but you know that your friends and other people will use them, huh?
Would like them.
Right. Other people will like them just like you, right?
Mm-hmm.
So if you were to tell other kids, if other kids wanted to invest and start investing in something, then what would you say? What would you tell them to start at? What's one thing that you would tell them to start at?
To invest in things they like.
Right. And So we're up $12.58. Like I said, we started investing into Tencent January 17, 2020. Like I said, up $12.58. I don't think my son is. Have you ever made that much money in your life?
But, yeah.
You have? Who gives you that much money?
No one. I find it on the ground.
Oh, right. You found $12 and
20.
Huh?
$20.
You found $20 on the ground. Where'd you find $20 on the ground? Huh?
At Ashley's house in the grass.
I guess. No, you didn't. Why are you lying?
I'm not.
Why are you lying? I'll tell you. This makes no sense. So you want to close out my YouTube video? Go ahead and close it out.
Bye.